welcome to Aussie. Today I'm going to show you how to create a basic web page using HTML. So what do you mean by HTML? HTML is a short form for Hypertext Markup Language. So what do you need for starting with the HTML document? Surely you need your PC or laptop. You need a text editor, for example Notepad, wordpad, and you also need a web browser, for example Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Opera, Internet Explorer, etc. So firstly, I'm going to show you how to create a HTML document using Notepad. So open Notepad. You can see that it opened. So now you must type in the tags, tag names, elements and attributes. These are the tiny but important parts of a HTML page. And these things won't be visible on the HTML page. Instead, they'll give their functions on the HTML page. So to start with the HTML page, you must start with the HTML tag name. So you're going to use the smaller than, the greater than, and the / symbols mainly. So start by writing this smaller than sign HTML and then greater than sign. So this is showing that you have started your HTML document. Go for enter and type now head in the same manner. This shows all the style you do in the head will impact on the body and the complete word page. So I will not teach you how to do that in this video because it's the basic learning video, but I'm sure in my next video I'll teach you how to apply basic font effects. So next, on the sub side of head, go for title. So this is going to be the title of your web page. For example, I'm going to keep my first web page. So this is my title. Now this title is going to impact on the title bar menu on your browser. So I'm going to use Google Chrome. You might use any other browser. So now I entered my title. Now we have to end the head tag so that it states that the head or the title is completely finished. So here you can see that we applied a / in the title and the head tags, because here we are stating that it's completely finished. Now go for enter. So now type in smaller than, body, greater than symbols. So this means that whatever text now you enter comes in the web page. This is going to be the body of your web page. So you can type in text like my channel name is Aussie Loca. For example, I type this. Now, in case you don't end it with the body tag, what's going to happen? It won't work because it'll be taking body forever, and that's practically not correct. So go for enter and keep /body. There are actually many headings and paragraphs you can go for, but I'm going to show you the body first. So I typed here, my channel name is Aussie Loca. So now I ended my body. Now everything is over except for one thing, that is the HTML. You have to end the HTML so that the computer will understand that your HTML is finished, and only it has to print till this much, or else it will continue printing, right? So type / smaller than /HTML and greater than. Now, how are we going to view it if we didn't save it? So for saving it, go to File, go to Save or Save As. You'll get a Save As dialog box. Here, it'll show you where it's going to insert. So maybe I'll choose the desktop. I want to get it inserted on the desktop. So here, as in save as type, it will be default in .txt, which means it's a text document. So you click on that, you'll get two options, all files and text documents. Click on all files. Now go for a random name. Maybe I'm gonna keep aussi loca web page. That's it. Now before saving it, end it with, like for example, my last letter is E. So maybe your last letter can be B, T or something like that. So after that letter, immediately keep a full stop and HTML. So today we are gonna see how to do HTML, right? So this HTML extension is gonna create this notepad into a HTML. So now I'm gonna show you where the HTML will get saved. So I got it on the desktop. I'm clicking on save. You can see here that my title got inserted, which I named it for, and it came as a Google Chrome symbol, but it's not Chrome. Why? Because it got saved as a HTML document web page. So now for example, we open it. Let's see how will it look. So what have we typed till now? Title, my first web page, body, my channel name. So let's open Google Chrome. So you can see that it's opening. Here is the address where it has been seen. So here my first web page, the title came and it's given here local or shared file because it's the web page we create. And in the body we got my channel name is aussi loca, right? Yes. So now if you want to make changes to it, you feel like, okay, I want to add more text, I want the font size to be bigger, or you want another subheading, or you want a heading. What do? Just minimize the screen. Now go to your notepad. Now type in all the changes you want. So till now we have discussed how to create and save a web page. Now what if we want to add different headings to the web page? So there are about 6 headings on a web page, which is from H1 to H6. So I'm going to show you a basic heading, so which is H1. So H1 is used for headings and titles. And then now you also have to end this H1. Also going to take the whole text as H1, right? Now maybe I'll enter in H2. Wow. And then I'm closing H2. Like this, I'm going to enter text for every heading. So we have entered till H4. Okay, maybe I want to stop till H4. But now, okay, now let's go to our Google Chrome page. There is no change because we didn't save it in the notepad. So let's click. So here you get a symbol here, which is the computer multiplication sign, which states that you haven't saved your file. So it will show an error. So click on File and click on Save or Ctrl S. So now that's gone because your file is saved. Now let's see if it changes in Google Chrome. Voila, it didn't do. Why? Because we just updated it and we didn't refresh the page. So let's just reload the page. You can see that my channel name is aussi loca is the heading 1 and the others are the heading 2, 3, 4 respectively. So like this, there are about 6 headings. Okay. So now maybe I want to enter a big piece of text, and what do you call that in English? Of course, a paragraph. So for starting with the paragraph in HTML, go for smaller than symbol, P and greater than symbol. Now type in all the text. Now I'm writing. So for example, I'm writing, I have a chocolate ice cream lunch box, etc. So this is how I started, but now it'll show you an error. Of course you've guessed the reason. we didn't end the paragraph tag. So just end it in the same method /p and I close it. So now again it'll show, so just save it. Now reload the page in Google Chrome. You'll see that it came in a different type of text, which is the paragraphic text. So here you can enter another paragraph too. I'm going to show you that how. So now we have ended this paragraph. So maybe I want to start another paragraph. I'm writing. So she has a chocolate ice cream lunch box, etc. The same sentence but this time with she. Let's see. So till now I have entered two paragraphs, paragraph 1, paragraph 2. Let's see if it gets saved. Let's click on Ctrl S and now go here. So you can see that one has entered like a paragraph and the rest has space in the between, and then we have entered the next paragraph. So this is how you easily insert a web page into your desktop at any place you want in the File Explorer, and you also create basic things in it. Thanks for watching.